we are going to learn recall magic word song. So now I'm going to sing the song. Okay children, let's we sing the song. When we want someone to help, what do we say? Please, please, please. When someone helps us out, what do we say? Thank you, thank you, thank you. When we make someone cry, what do we say? Sorry, sorry, sorry. Please, thank you, and sorry. Please, thank you, and sorry. Say them as you need. Say them to make it all good. Say them as you need. Say them to make it all good. So this song you have to practice in your house using these videos. So next we are going to sing another song in this lesson. So this is a reading portion. Okay, so next we are going to learn the reading portion. See, what do you see? What do you see? It's a reading passage ma. So now we are going to sing like a song. Okay, bluebird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a green frog. Green frog, what do you see? I see a red fish. Red fish, what do you see? I see a small boy. Small boy, what do you see? I see a bluebird, yellow duck, a green frog, and a red fish. That is what I see. So this is the reading portion. So you have to read yourself. இது உங்களுடைய reading portion. நீங்க தான் வந்து இதை என்ன செய்யணும், படிக்கணும். Okay children, so வீட்ல எல்லாரும் இதையும் வீடியோவை கேட்டு நீங்க என்ன செய்றீங்க, படிக்கிறீங்க. ஓகேவா? So next we are going to Nina Wonders lesson. Nina Wonders lesson. So in this lesson we are see 2 pages. So in the 3rd page I start. So Nitin places his hand on his tummy and so does Nina. So அவன் டம்மில கை வைக்கிறான், அதே மாதிரி நீனாவும் செய்றா. Nina asks, I can hear gudu gudu gudu. நீனா சொல்றா, என்னால என்ன செய்ய முடியுது, குடு குடுன்னு சவுண்ட் கேக்குது ஸ்டொமக்ல அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. நிதின், ha ha ha, are you hungry? நீ வந்து பசியா இருக்கியா அப்படின்னு கேக்குறான் நிதின். Whoosh went the cooker. Nina turned to the sound. They both walked to the kitchen. So உஷ்ன்னு சவுண்ட் வருது, ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து கிச்சனுக்கு போறாங்க. அங்க என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? நிதின், I think food is ready. நான் வந்து நினைக்கிறேன் ஃபுட் ரெடி ஆயிடுச்சு. நீனா சொல்றா, how do you know? நிதின், my nose says so. என்னுடைய நோஸ் வந்து அதுதான் சொல்லுது. நீனா, one for me. Father, what are you both doing in the kitchen? So என்ன சொல்றாங்க, ரெண்டு பேரும் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க கிச்சன்ல, அப்பா கேக்குறாங்க. உடனே நீனா சொல்றா, we hear the cooker. எங்களுக்கு குக்கர் விசில் கேட்டுச்சு. உடனே நிதின், we saw the jamuns and jamun is so sweet. So நாங்க ஜாமுன் பார்த்தோம், அது பார்க்க ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு, ஸ்வீட்டா இருக்கு. Oh no, no more jamuns before lunch. Off you go. So சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி, லஞ்சுக்கு முன்னாடி no jamuns. So சாப்பிட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. So this is the last passage. So next we are going to see the exercise in this lesson. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to see parts of the body. What we are going to see? Parts of the body. See, what is this? What is this mark? We have in our body. What's the name of this part? Hand. What is this? Hand. This is foot, ear, mouth, eyes, nose, arm, body, head. Okay, These portions, these parts are we learned in this lesson. Okay, children. So using this part, we are doing our work regularly. Okay. So what we do with our hands? Clap, eat, then carry the bag. Okay, what we learn, what we use for food, food for use for walk. So நம்ம பாதத்தை வச்சு தான் நடக்க முடியும். Then see the ear. Ear is used to hear the music or sound. Sound கேட்கறதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது. Mouth to speak and eat the food. Then eyes to see the world. Then nose to smell the the um, surrounding smell. Okay. Arms are used to carry the weight. So body, so without body we cannot do anything. Head is the first important parts in our body. Okay, children. Next we are going to learn what's the uses of each part. So eyes used to see. Eyes see. Nose smell. Tongue taste. Ears ear. Ears ear. Mouth speak and eat. Mouth speak and eat. Hands clap. Legs walk. So this is the homework. Using this slide, you have to write this sentences. Write this sentence in your rough note for 5 times. How to write? Eyes see, eyes see, eyes see. Nose smell, nose smell. So likewise, you have to write this each sentence as 5 times. Okay, children. So next we are going to see them. So this is the book back exercise. So first picture is jamun. You have to tick in 3 or 5. How many jamuns are here? 5. Then this is a drum picture. You have to tick in the second column. Then see the third picture. This is the kitchen. So you have to tick in the second box. Okay. See the next one. Match the word with the picture and write them. So you have to merge the word. This is word. You have to merge with the picture. So FOOD food. Food means this is the food. So you have to join the lines using pencil, and here you have to write FOOD food. What you have to write? FOOD food. Then C head. HEAD head. So this is the head. You have to join with the pencil, and here you have to write head. HEAD head. Then see the third one, EAR ear. So see, this is the ear. So you have to match with ear, and you have to write here EAR ear. Where is the hand? HAND hand. So this is the hand. You have to write here HAND hand. Okay, children. So this is the exercise in your textbooks. You have to use this video. You write in your textbook. Okay, next we are going to see the vowel sounds. So vowel sound means is a sound. Okay, so we are now we are going to see two sounds, vowel sounds and consonant. So here we have to know about the vowel sound. So see the picture. A, E, I, O, U. This is called the vowel sounds. A sound, A sound, I sound, R sound, O sound. So this sound, before this sound, you have to write the word an. What word you have to use? An. So see the vowels. You have to say an apple. This is A sound, apple, A. Then this is A, elephant, A sound. This is I, igloo. This is O, orange. This is O, umbrella. So these vowels are known as vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. So this is known as vowel So using these vowels, before these vowels, you have to write a word an. What word you have to write? An. So see, an. So you have to write, this is an apple. So before a sound, you have to write what word? An. See the next sentence. This is an egg. So you have to a, a sound. Before a sound, you have to use an. See the next one. This is an ice cream. So you have to write an before I sound. See the next one. Onion. This is an onion. You have to write an before onion. See the next one. This is an umbrella. So you have to write an before O sound. Umbrella. So before other sound. So this is known as vowel sound. Before other sound means consonant sounds. So you have to write a before this vowels consonant sound. This is a boy. This is a boy. Okay. Next, see, this is a car. See the next one. This is a dog. Next one, this is a frog. See the next one, this is a tree. So using this word, that vowel sound, before the vowel sound you have to use an, other sound you have to use a. Okay children, so recall it. So a, e, I, o, u is a vowel, then other is a consonant. So before vowels you have to use an, then other sounds you have to use a. Okay, so see the exercise. Ant. What's the name of this picture? Ant. So this is a sound, so you have to circle an ant. So this, see, this is a duck. So a, e, I, o, e, I, o, u is not here, so it's a consonant sound, so you have to use a duck. Then see the next one, book. So you have to circle a book. This is orange, o sound, so you have to say an orange. So this is the example given, so you have to write the answer in your textbooks using this video. Okay children, so this is a bill, not an bill, a bill. This is an ox. This is an ox. Then see the next one. This is tub, yeah, tub. This is yeah, tub. Then see the next one. This is an axe. This is an eagle. This is yeah, fan. Okay children, so write in your textbook. So next, see the next spell check. Tie, belt, frog. Tie, tie, belt, belt, frock, frog. So this exercise in your textbook. Every week we will see some word walls. So, okay, so different word walls we see. So every day you have to memorize word wall words and also write as 5 times 10 times in your rough note. So how many times you memorize it, so then only you can recall the word. Okay, so see the first word, CAME, came, TAME, tame, CAGE, cage, PAGE, page, SALE, sail, TALE, tail, BASE, base, CASE, case. So these are A sound, AE. Okay. So AE sound, came, tame, cage, page, sail, tail, base, case. Okay children. So see the AI sound, male, sail, main, pain, wait, bait, laid, raid. So AI, சரிங்களா, MAIL mail, SAIL sail, MAIN main, PAIN pain, WIT wait, BAIT bait, LAID laid, RAID ride. Next see the sleigh, play, clay, bray, tray, pray, sway, way. So you have to practice using this video, then write in your rough note also. Okay, இதை வந்து நீங்க rough noteலயும் எழுதி practice பண்ணணும். So 5 times எழுதுங்க. Next we are going to see the project paper. So this is a project for your this week. So in your textbook, see how to color this picture. um, they given them what color we have to use for each item. For cap we have to use red color. Boys shirt க்கு வந்து yellow color. Shorts, for shorts means trouser க்கு blue color. Then belt க்கு black. Then shoes க்கு brown. Socks க்கு grey. Then name the boys clothes. So அது என்னது, அந்த அந்த clothesக்கு பேர் என்ன? So இதோட name அது பக்கத்துல எழுதணும். Okay children, so this is the homework and also project for you. So last week I give them homework. So you have to every week do yourself. This is your homework. You have to do by yourself. Okay children. Thank you children.